Hello traders. By opening a binary option, you can make a profit in a few minutes. But how to make money on binary options on holidays and weekends, when the currency and stock markets are closed? This is easy to do with cryptocurrencies that are available 24 hours, 7 days a week. The COVID-19 pandemic has caused problems in almost all sectors of the real economy, prompting a surge in interest in alternative investment options such as digital money. But where are the guarantees that everything will not turn to zero, because most of them are provided only by marketing and optimism of developers? The most important question is what strategies to trade. Use standard tools or look for authors' techniques worth a lot of money. Let's look at several options for earning money on time-tested strategies, and also try to make a forecast for the first half of 2021 for major cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is on the rise. A new historical maximum price has been set, sales volumes are growing on all exchanges, more and more institutional investors are considering the asset as an important part of their investments in 2021. Forecasts are different, from a rise in the price to the level of $400,000 for one Bitcoin, to a sharp fall as it was at the beginning of 2018. The negative scenario is most likely not confirmed. There may be a slight rollback followed by a resumption of growth. Bitcoin has been trading for a long time. Candlestick patterns work well on it, which are recommended to complement the binary option signal based on technical indicators, as VFX Alert does. Candlestick patterns confirm the continuation of downtrend after next correction. Opening down option. This will not be a full trading session, just show how you can make a profit on cryptocurrency based on basic indicators and patterns. "30 seconds before expiration. The price is far the opening level. The first option is closed with a profit. We are waiting for the next signal. The main event of the new year will be the start of trading Ethereum futures on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, where it will be a real competitor to Bitcoin. The likelihood of the uptrend continuation is high. You can start looking for the move points for the call option using trend indicators. Trading starts on February 8th and the first week can be expected to have a lot of intraday volatility. There will be opportunities for short-term call and put trades. The strategy uses standard technical indicators. 3 exponential EMA averages with periods of 10, 25 and 50. Determine the direction of the short and medium-term trend. On a flute with high volatility, you can use the price channel, inside which you can trade, at least 10 to 15 points wide. A breakdown will become a binary signal of a new trend. This method is recommended only for experienced traders. MACD. This indicator works both as a trend and as an oscillator instrument, so it will be the final signal to open an option. Binary signal. Call option. Price is above all moving average or breaks through, fast, EMA 10, from the bottom up. The MACD is green and above 0. Put option. Reverse conditions, price is lower than all moving average or breaks through the EMA 10, from top to bottom. The MACD is red and below zero. The price above all moving average, stochastic and VFX alert confirm the up option. Bitcoin will be the basis of any strategy. Other currencies follow, albeit with a delay. The Ethereum exception, there are opposite rollbacks and corrections. This is usually the case when publishing important events about the currency. Speculative actions are short-term and almost do not occur. The forecast was correct. Strong upward movement, waiting for a profitable expiration. The second option is a plus again. There are no big changes in the next 2 to 3 months, although cryptocurrency trusts continue to increase their investments in Litecoin, which confirms the confidence of marketers in the stability of the currency. The trend will continue to move beyond Bitcoin with periods of sideways movement, where you can open trades from the borders of the price channel as shown below. The strategy uses two technical indicators. Donchian channel DC, minus the horizontal direction of the DC lines confirms the presence of a flat. The breakdown of center lines will be the binary signal of its end. If the range is wide enough, you can open options to roll back from the borders. The Donchian indicator is not included in the basic set of trading platforms, but it can easily be found for free on the internet. Stochastic minus the oscillator will assess the current balance between buyers and sellers, the predictor above level 80 minus the end of the uptrend, overbought, below 20 minus the end of the downward, oversold. Call option. The price rollback from the lower limit of Donchian channel or cross its middle line from bottom to top. Stochastic is up or out of oversold, level 20. Put option. Price crosses the DC average from top to bottom or unfolds from its upper limit. Stochastic is down or out of overbought, level 80. The price turns upwards from lower border of channel. Stochastic and VFX alert confirm second up option. If you look closely at the chart, you will see that almost always the conditions for options do not arise at the same time and there is a gap between the signals. How to make money on binary options: wait or still enter at the first sign of a reversal. And which indicator will be the leading signal? There is no clear answer, it all depends on current situation. But if you are a beginner, you need to wait for all the conditions of the strategy to be met. Waiting for expiration. The option is in profit, in other pairs we do not open. The third option is a plus again. The altcoin situation will be difficult. You can trade on them with a profit, if there is no bad news from developers and regulators. Let's take a look at 3 altcoins from the list of VFX alert signals and the top 20 of the market by capitalization. Bitcoin Cash made another hard fork in November 2020. The new Cash ABC did not receive support from the community. The classic version continued to grow for Bitcoin. EOS continued to publish news on new perspectives and major partners in the financial sector and government institutions. While this is only marketing, there are no real results. A long sideways trend confirms the doubts of investors. Making predictions in such a situation is difficult. The situation with Ripple is even sadder. USA financial regulators require registration of the XRP token as a security, otherwise US residents who own 90% of the number of coins will be forced to sell them. A strong drop in the value of Ripple has already begun, and will probably continue in the first months of 2021. Options on altcoin are absent from most brokers, or they have small profit percentages. If you want to trade such assets, pay attention to cryptocurrency indices on which you can work with complex technical strategies. They are available on the VFX Alert channel and blog. Let's summarize. We earn money on cryptocurrencies 24 hours, 7 days a week, when other markets are closed. Despite the small capitalization compared to currency pairs and stock assets, cryptocurrencies are a real trading tool that gives a good and stable profit. On binary option, you only need a minimum deposit. No matter how much cryptocurrencies are worth on the exchange, it is enough to make a correct up-down forecast and make a profit. Stay with VFX Alert and all stable profit in the new year.